My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I worked there for a decade. I have worked thousands and thousands of cases. And my YouTubes, by the way, are short, sweet, to the point. I appreciate you listening. Instead of my M&M man, that's why he's giving you a thumbs up today. I want to talk to you about what happens if you haven't filed your back taxes in a long, long, long time. Oh God, millions of people. I think the estimates are 15 million people don't file their tax returns on time, or haven't filed for multiple years, or never file returns. It doesn't make any difference. IRS really treats everybody the same way. And to be real honest, it's really easy to get back in the system. So many people are just hit with fear, and they're like ostriches. They put their head in the sand, and man, they don't know what to do. IRS really makes it so simple. IRS has your tax transcripts on file. You can just go to irs.gov and get them yourself, and they'll tell you how much you made. At some point in time, IRS is going to knock on the door. They just haven't got a lot around to it. But IRS has a policy statement, 5-133, that says you have to file the last 6 years. That's it. Sometimes we only file 3 years if it's a non-asset case. So you shouldn't worry if you haven't filed in years and years. The key is to get back in the system. So the first thing you do is make sure that you have enough withholding, or withholding or estimate taxes being out, and contact a tax professional and let them file your return. But most people are afraid, what's IRS going to do? Well, if you owe debt, they're simply going to try to just resolve the debt, and they're going to do it in one of three ways: through a payment agreement, a hardship, or an offer in compromise. So you just need to get yourself hold of someone good who knows what they're doing, and get your tax returns filed and get your case settled all at the same time. IRS makes it more easy. It's actually more. The fear is more than the reality. I remember when I did my first parachute a dive. The fear and the anxiety was worse than the actual jump. So if you just want to get back in the system and kind of pain-free, call us. But remember, you got to get current, and IRS will forgive a bunch of back years if you haven't filed in a while. Okay? Thank you for listening.